Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk about 5 quick steps to choose virtual data room software. So what is virtual data room? A VDR is a secure online repository for storing and sharing confidential documents, and choosing the right virtual data room software is essential for businesses of all sizes. Introduction: VDR are typically used in a business transactions such as merger and acquisitions and due diligence, but they can be also used for other purposes such as board meetings and litigations. VDR software comes in a variety of shapes and sizes. It is important to choose a VDR software that meets your specific needs and budgets. So in this video, we'll discuss the 5 quick steps to VDR software. Define your needs, what features are important to you, and consider factors such as security, SAF use, pricing, and customer support. Make a list of potential VDR providers. There are many VDR providers available, so do some research to find providers that offer the features and functionality that you need. Read reviews. Once you have listed a potential VDR provider, read reviews from other businesses that have a used VDR software. This can help you to get a better understanding of the pros and cons of each provider. Then request demos. Most VDR providers offer free demos. This is a great way to see the software in action, to ask about the features and functionality. And compare pricing. Once you have narrowed down your choices, compare pricing from different providers. Be sure to factor in the cost of features such as storage space and user accounts. Tips for choosing a VDR software. Here are a few tips for choosing a VDR software. Security is an important factor to consider when choosing a VDR software. Make sure that the VDR software you choose uses the robust security features such as encryptions, access controls, and watermarkings. Then as of use, the VDR software should be to use for both administrators and users, and make sure that the VDR software you choose offer a user-friendly interface and comprehensive training resource. Pricing. VDR pricing can be varied depending on the features and functionality that you need, and be sure to compare to pricing from different providers before making a decision. Then customer support. Make sure that the VDR provider you choose offer a good customer support. This is important in case you have any problems with the VDR software. Here are some additional tips. Scalability. Make sure that the VDR software you choose is scalable to meet the needs of your growing business integrations. Consider whether the VDR software integrates with other business software applications that you use. And compliance. If your business is subject to any data security regulations, make sure that the VDR software is compliant and with those regulations, and be carefully considering your needs and budgets. You can choose a VDR solution that meets your needs and help you to improve your business operations. So here are the conclusions. Choosing the right VDR software is an important decision. By following the 5 quick steps and tips above, you can choose a VDR software that meets your specific needs and budgets. So that's all everyone. I hope you all understand this topic. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So thank you again. Bye everyone.